उत्तर प्रदेश हाथरस सानेहा के मुताल्लिक गिरफ्तार शुदा मलयाली सहाफ़ी सिद्दीक कप्पन के मामले में पॉपुलर फ्रंट के जनरल सेक्रेटरी अनीस अहमद ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले का खैर मकदम किया कि उन्हें इलाज के लिए दिल्ली मुंतकिल किया जाए। साथ ही अनीस अहमद ने कहा कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हेबिस कॉर्पस पिटीशन की समाअत के दौरान सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता का ये दावा करना कि पॉपुलर फ्रंट ऑफ इंडिया पर चंद रियासतों में पाबंदी आयद है एक सफ़ेद झूठ है। अनीस अहमद ने कहा कि सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता ने पॉपुलर फ्रंट के खिलाफ सफ़ेद झूठ और बेबुनियाद इल्ज़ामात के ज़रिए अदालत को गुमराह करने की कोशिश की है।
Today, during the habeas corpus petition hearing in the Supreme Court, the Solicitor General blatantly lied before the Supreme Court, saying that Popular Front of India is banned in few states. The government and even the Solicitor General knows it clearly that Popular Front of India is not banned in few states, but it was only in the state of Jharkhand where the BJP government banned us because of a vendetta politics. We went to the Ranchi High Court and the ban was revoked. And there was a legal victory for our organization. There was a legal victory for truth, and the BJP was rattled because of our legal victory, and again they imposed a ban with the same points. And we are pretty sure that when the hearing comes before the Ranchi High Court, again the ban will be revoked because the points mentioned in those are completely baseless and did not stand once, and it won't stand again. Now the Solicitor General saying such things in the Supreme Court is nothing but an attempt to sensationalize the issue, to create a point or to create a scenario where just saying that any person associated with Popular Front or any person having some sort of link with Popular Front is eligible to be punished. We condemn such attempt by the Solicitor General, and we also condemn the lie that he has said before the open court today.
ETV भारत के लिए बेंगलोर से रफीक जब्बार की रिपोर्ट।